Mamalingki na naman tayo sa kaingin.
On March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan, they were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Castilla git at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City,
Ginto.
Raha Humabon met him.
Ginto pa. Ginto. Wala tayong bili. Baboy na lang.
Ha?
Boboy.
Pwede rin.
Ay, baboy. Baboy na naman.
Ayun na lang po, sis. 3 piraso.